Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your dream app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on this sign down here. When you just click on it, so then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. You come here to Haptic feedback here, click in this sign or this color. Like you see this color here show for us, that's mean Haptic feedback, it's enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do to enable it on your dream app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.